today I'm reviewing the Paula's Choice C5 Super Boost Vitamin C Moisturizer. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase size products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you help support the channel, check out nobsb.com, join Patreon community, or click on the link below. I'm trying to get Lincoln to come say hi to everybody, but he's being too shy. Come here, Lincoln. Whoa, coming in hot. There he is. Hi. Oh, okay. I guess that's all we get from Lincoln for today. Okay, so I call this a concentrated 5% vitamin C moisturizer that visibly brightens, dullness, firms, hydrates, and supports the skin's barrier in one multitasking step. I don't think I necessarily call 5% a concentrated moisturizer. I guess a concentrated 5%. I don't know. Does that really seem concentrated to you? I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging. It's very noisy in here. Lincoln, come here. Okay, Lincoln's done, I guess.
Leave me alone.
Lincoln, come here. Come here, Mom. Okay, I guess he's done. He don't care no more. Okay, so first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. We got a pump bottle. Oh, I think we do have a guest, maybe. Come here, love bug. There we go. He's showing his booty off. Don't show your booty off to everybody. It's kind of a... There you go. Sit like that. You're still showing your booty off. Still kind of in a... Okay, sit. Whoa. He's not very coordinated, is he? Bless you. Now I just sneezed over everything. It's very noisy, isn't it? Still showing his booty off. Don't show your booty. It's inappropriate. There we go. Well, that's all the Lincoln you get for he's going for a ride. Okay. Okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. It's a pump bottle. It works. It's Paula's Choice mentions it's recyclable. Although I usually work with TerraCycle. They do a great job recycling everything. So you can check them out online. Paula's Choice used to work with TerraCycle. I'm not sure if they still do or not. But anyway, it's worth searching, Googling. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. In terms of fragrance, it's also fragrance-free and has no real noticeable scent. Oops, I started pumping it out on accident. There we go. Manufacturing location for this one is the U.S. Man, this is going to be a messy review. Okay, ease of use. So it's a moisturizer texture. I still get a little ahead of myself. So they recommend using it once or twice a day. Personally, for me, I like using this in my evening routine. In my daytime routine, I mentioned this before, I like using regular L-ascorbic acid, or if I'm not going to use that, I use the Niode Survival Zero. It's just one or the other. I'm all about the antioxidants in my morning routine to protect my skin, so I either go with pure L-ascorbic acid serum or Niode Survival. There's just no exceptions. One or the other. One of those two. So this one doesn't fit in that criteria. It has vitamin C, but not L-ascorbic acid in it. So they say apply a dime size amount to face and neck for daytime finish with sunscreen, obviously. Yeah, so it absorbs nicely. It sets to a dewy finish. So if you kind of want a dewy finish, hi Lincoln's balancing on the chair now, which is circling around. He can jump like almost across the pool, but he's not very coordinated at anything else, especially catching carrots. One day he caught 6 in a row. He's never caught another one ever since that day. So, anyway, beginner's luck, I guess. Okay, so anyway, you can see it sets to kind of a dewy finish that's non-sticky. So, which you may or may not like for your morning routine. Nothing wrong with that either way. Okay, so beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid, or also abbreviated as EAC. It's a ether-revived derivative of ascorbic acid that's very stable. It's a promising vitamin C derivative, but more research still needs to be done. It's very stable, as well as soluble in water and oil, so it may have skin brightening benefits as well as antioxidant benefits. We still don't really know that much. Not much more research has been done since I even started blogging in the last few years. So we're hoping, I mean, it's promising, but we'll see. I'd still, at this point, rely more on L-ascorbic acid just because it's got more research on it. Okay, then we've got Ascorbyl Glucoside, which between those two, they make up 5% of the product. Ascorbyl Glucoside, another vitamin C derivative, very stable. Some in vitro studies show that after it's absorbed in the skin, it's converted into pure vitamin C, although it's still iffy. There's still more research that needs to be done. It temporarily... Whoa! You okay, Muffin? It's going to be a messy video. Oh, he's gone. Told you it wasn't that coordinated. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, so some research that's done, it shows it has the 3 anti-aging benefits as antioxidant protection, collagen boosting, and fading hyperpigmentation that pure vitamin C does, but it still really needs to be studied more. So, to be honest, I'm kind of surprised to see a Paula's Choice vitamin C product that just uses these 2 derivatives, especially. They've been a little bit hesitant on recommending products that don't contain L-ascorbic acid in the past. I'm a little surprised to see it and not throw in the superstar, but whatever. Okay, then we've got Squalane, which is a skin identical ingredient as well as antioxidant. We've got Acetyl, SH hexapeptide 5 amide acetate, which is a skin conditioning ingredient peptide. We've got watermelon seed oil, which is maybe why it gives that shiny finish. Watermelon seed oil is a nice emollient. We've got hydrogenated lecithin, which is an emollient. We've got cocoa seed butter, which is an emollient as well as antioxidant. We've got Tinogard TT, which is an antioxidant preservative combo. You're starting to see more of those, such as acetophenone and trimethamine or something like that. Antioxidant preservative combo ingredients. Well, you've got sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant, rice bran extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient, jojoba seed esters, which is a soothing as well as emollient, vitamin E, antioxidant hydrate ingredient, acetyl zingerone, which is an antioxidant preservative combo, another one of those, sunflower seed extract, soothing and emollient, lecithin, emollient, rosemary extract, soothing as well as antioxidant. Rosemary extract is good for skin. Rosemary oil is potentially irritating. We've got soybean oil, which is another emollient. We've got bacillus ferment, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. Polyglutamic acid, which is a hydrating humectant. And then finally squalene, which is a skin identical ingredient emollient. There's 2 different types of squalane and squalene. You don't see squalene very often. Squalene typically was made with shark liver, but now they've found a way to get it from plants as well, so you don't have to injure the sharks. Sharks get a bad rap in this world. I don't know. People don't feel bad when they die. Well, some people don't care because they look at them as mean, but especially like great white sharks, I think their numbers are cutting back. Although a lot of cultures use their meat and stuff and products, so I don't know. Whatever. Sharks get a bad rap because they're not cute like panda bears. Right? That's just the fact. Panda bears, they look cute. They can be really mean. So just like polar bears, but sharks, they're not cute. They're not cuddly, so nobody really cares about them. But I do. I do! As well as manatees, but they're more cute, so. I was always a member of the Save the Manatee Club. I got all my manatee stuff. They're so cute. Sea cows. They're freaking adorable. Anyway. Yeah, anyway. Okay, I could go on, but I won't. So, manatees are adorable. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is gluten-free as well as cruelty-free, so no issues with that. So, for performance, it's very nice, very hydrating, layers well-made routine. It hydrates without feeling super greasy. In terms of brightening, I didn't really notice any benefits for brightening, but the hyperpigmentation I'm left with is very stubborn and has been treated by pretty much every vitamin C derivative for a long time, as well as every brightening product, every retinoid under the sun, every exfoliant under the sun. So I don't think 5% of 2 vitamin C derivatives is going to do much to affect it, but perhaps if you don't have very stubborn hyperpigmentation, it might be worth a try, but it's very nice just in terms of its other soothing and hydrating ingredients, as well as antioxidants. Not very friendly at all for acne-prone skin at all. So for acne-prone skin, we've got Dimethicone, Squalane, cocoa seed butter, very comedogenic, vitamin E, cetyl alcohol, hexylene glycol, sorbitol isostearate, and soybean oil. So 8 ingredients, which are probably make up a third of the product. So if you have acne-prone skin, be very cautious with this one. Okay, in terms of the price, so this is a full-size 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, retails for $45, which makes it on the pricey side. Although a little bit does go a long way. And if you think about most moisturizers are going to be typically, well, most serums are 1 ounce. Most moisturizers are between 1 and 1.7 ounces. So $45, it's up there, but it's not as expensive as some other ones out there. But it's still a little bit pricey. Then in terms of the it factor, really nice moisturizer with vitamin C derivative is definitely geared towards dry, non-acne prone skin. The interesting thing is I couldn't really find any good dupes for this. Typically, for almost every product that exists, I can find 2-3 dupes. For this one, I really couldn't find any at all. So that was kind of interesting. So it kind of makes it a little more unique. But overall, it's a nice product. Not a absolute must-have, but a nice one, especially if you have drier skin that's not acne prone but sensitive, or maybe for some reason regular L-ascorbic acid irritates your skin, so this one might be a nice try instead. So okay, anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. Seems to work well for a lot of people, including myself. So yeah, enjoy it. Definitely will finish out up. And anyway, interested to hear from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.